Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Dollar Tree haul. Oh boy, I'm so bad. Okay, let me start. I have several items, guys. So at my Dollar Tree, I think they just put this out. That for those of you who don't like gnomes, go ahead and look away because I got two little gnomies. I'm gonna fix them up because they're a little raggedy from like the way they made them. So I'm gonna doctor them up a little bit. Hopefully I have some time. Yeah, because it's a little raggedy. But they look like this. So she has a little heart. And she's got her little pink plaid dress. I'm not really too excited about how they dressed her. I might, make some adjustments to her outfit. He, on the other hand, is pretty cute. He's got a little pink and white striped hat, and he's got a little banner here. It says love, and he's all bearded up and fuzzy. I love it. I love it. I love it. And he just needs some cleaning up. I think it's just the way they made them, the manufacturer. It's a little sloppy, but I still enjoy them. They're too cute. Anyway, I did pick up some Valentine's tissue paper. Although they are red and white. I was hoping to use it for my swap that I'm participating in, but we'll see. I did pick up some books from my Dollar Tree. They don't have the best things, but they have a small section where they have great selection of books. And these are young adults, I guess. But look at this. Isn't this cute? This is a novel in text. Oh my God, it's hilarious. Look at this thing. So they've got notes, little emoji. I mean, if this ain't telling the signs of the times, like this is insane, hilarious. And I mean, it might be a serious story, but I'm just really laughing at the use of the emojis, and it's pretty much, abbreviations and stuff. Oh my gosh, it's a cute book. And then I picked this one up, Christmas at the Cupcake Cafe. I think it's cute. I'm interested in reading it, and after I read it, probably I will use it in the junk journal world. So I'm gonna put them right back in here because I have several bags, you guys. And my husband is unaware. So I did grab these out of the Valentine's section. There were a bunch of bags, but they were literally covered in glitter, and I was like, no thank you. So I got this one because it says we go together like cookies and milk, or milk and cookies, whatever, And then the other one is just a plain red and pink hearts. I thought these were going to be great for our swap partners. Just, I don't know, a gift or put something in it. But this one says Valentine. It's hard to see, but there you go. And then this one is Cupid's Arrow Market. Let me check out the measurements. It's about 10 inches by 7. So it's a good size bag, all of them. And then this one is Little Cupid. I thought, oh my gosh, he's so cute. And then the other one just says Valentine. It's the brown and red. So I grabbed those because they are so adorable. I did grab a set of Mickey and Friends bags. You guys, these bags are so cute. If you see them, grab them. I grabbed a few, and you guys, it came in so handy because I used one for Ebony's birthday challenge, and I put my little goodies in the bag. I thought that was cute. The main goal for this was actually to make it into like a junk journal. But they're so cute. Oh my gosh. And I really do love Mickey and his friends. I don't mind having the buddies with him because I love it. Okay, more bags for Valentine's. I picked up this one here. It's a 2-piece, and you get the conversation hearts. They're both the same. And then this one is in pink. It's the same conversation hearts. I'm sorry if I didn't show it. So they're just red and pink options. What else did I get? Oh, because I'm going to use this on my swap. Look at it. It is the garland, the Valentine's Day garland, but look at how chunky this is. Oh my gosh. I'm just trying to imagine how I'm going to use it in my swap. But just, you see what I'm looking at. It's so chunky and gorgeous. I love it. I grabbed the pink. They had red, pink, and red and white. So I just grabbed the pink. Listen, if they had purple, I would grab the purple, but they didn't have purple. So that's what I got in that bag. Now, still in the Valentine section, I grabbed one of the shopping bags, you guys, and it's full. It's full. I can't even show you the bag itself. Okay, I need to do this because I need to get going. I grabbed these beautiful socks. Snuggadoo, super soft. Oh my gosh. It's all just one size. So that's like a gray blue. It's hard to see. And then this is a gray. This is a different texture from the first one. It's hard to see, but it's like a shiny yarn, and this one is just a matte. It's like a plain regular yarn. And then this one is the baby blue. It almost looks mint, but it's not. It's blue. And then I grabbed a pink, and they didn't have any purple. I couldn't believe it. So these are two, the plain and then the shiny. Oh no, that's what I don't want. I don't want these. These are uncomfortable on my feet. My feet are very sensitive. I don't want that. But it's not going anywhere. It's going to be used. So there you go. That's some socks. Oh, I need this for my kitchen. I found this a while back and started using it, and now I just love this. This cleans my dishes so well. I like it nice and lathery, like really sudsy. So lots of suds. Give it to me. I got these little things right here. Isn't this so cute? It's pop it like on a pen. And it's a fidget spinner. It's a spinner, basically. But you got the bonus of a pen. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, these are definitely going into something. The back has these little happy face bears. Oh, so cute. But the front, I'm going to figure out something to do with the front. I grabbed some of these. These are just like, they're like M&Ms. But yeah, I wanted to get this and cover up this label because calories don't count on holidays. And then I wanted to try to bling this out, like either bling or glitter or something. Try to, do something with that. It probably most likely will be bling because I don't know. I just love it. These were like, there were only 3 of these containers. I was really looking for the mini, the smaller, the original, what is that thing called? Embellishment boxes, the tool bench. It's way smaller than this. They didn't have it, so I grabbed these 2. I left one behind. Of course, don't want to be greedy. Just take 2 and leave 1. I need it. I need to put away some stuff. So there it goes. I did pick up these roses. I know I have some in my stash, but I don't know where they are. So I did pick these up, a pink and a peach. This is new color to me. It might not be new to Dollar Tree, but I think it's new to me because I've never seen that before in my life. And I did pick up some Mike and Ike's. Because I'm ridiculous. I'm just ridiculous. I picked this up. It is a rose brush. It's a makeup brush. And it's so pretty. Yeah, it's definitely a good find. I don't wear makeup like that, but I know of somebody who does, so we shall see where it goes. I also found these. These are like the candy sprinkle brushes. And yeah, so they're makeup brushes. I don't know, it doesn't say what kind of a brush, but whatever. They got the really chunky one and then the other one. And I got 2 of each, so we shall see. We shall see. I also grabbed this. I thought this was cute. It is a selfie lip pops. They're for kids, but they're hilarious, and I'm gonna do something with that too. And then I went crazy and I got these. You guys, I questioned the cashier because these rang up. Listen, my Dollar Tree does not have a Dollar Tree Plus, okay? But these babies right here rang up $1.50. Them effers. I was like, wait a minute, that thing said $1.50. So I got 3 of the pink, and of course I had to get the purple. So bling is in the future for my Valentine. Yeah, so she's like, some of the items are $1.50. I'm so sorry. I was like, what the hell? It doesn't say that. It doesn't say that. You know, so whatever. And it's not even a Dollar Tree Plus, so I was just a little upset. I did grab these little makeup bags, that little pink pom-pom, and I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of these. These are great for personalizing, using some vinyl on there. And I love that it has the gold zipper. Look at the fanciness on this thing. Like, so cute. Okay, and that is it for my haul. The most important thing I went in there for was for this. For this. So yeah, okay guys, that's all for now. I only picked these things up mainly for one for my daughter and 2 for my swap buddies. So yeah, this is a good size bag, and you know, it'll never see Dollar Tree again. We buy those bags so that we could reuse it, but no, I don't end up reusing it. Anyways, go check out your Dollar Tree before all the Valentine goodies go away, because they were already starting to put out Easter. I almost grabbed some carrots. I was like, no, we don't need no carrots. But yes, I contained myself to Valentine. Nothing here is for my husband and my son. It's all just for my swap buddies and my daughter. So anyway, let me get out of here before I get myself into more trouble. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join our crafty family, and then hit the notification bell so that you will know when I load new videos or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you for watching, and happy crafty hunting, shopping, whatever. Bye.